In today's video, I'm going to show you how to always show or hide the Google Chrome bookmarks bar in just a few simple clicks. If you use Chrome every day, this is a really useful setting because it helps you keep your browser clean and minimal when you want more space, or turn the bookmarks bar on when you want quick access to your favorite websites. Whether you want it visible all the time or hidden for a cleaner look, I'll walk you through both options step by step. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dot menu. This is the main menu where Chrome keeps most of its settings and tools. After you click the three dots, move down and find Bookmarks and Lists. Click on that option to open the Bookmarks menu. Now, if you want to show the bookmarks bar, click Show Bookmarks Bar. As soon as you select it, the bookmarks bar will appear directly below the address bar. You'll now be able to see your saved bookmarks right at the top of Chrome, which makes it much faster to open websites you use often. This is especially helpful if you have work tools, social media pages, or frequently visited sites that you want one-click access to. If you want to hide the bookmarks bar instead, the steps are just as easy. Click the three dot menu again in the top right corner, then go back to Bookmarks and Lists. From there, click Hide Bookmarks Bar. The bookmarks bar will disappear, giving you a cleaner browser layout and a little extra space on your screen. So to summarize, if you want the bookmarks bar visible, use the three dot menu, open Bookmarks and Lists, and choose Show Bookmarks Bar. If you want it hidden, follow the same menu path and choose Hide Bookmarks Bar. That's all there is to it. This is one of those small Chrome settings that can make a big difference in how you use your browser every day. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.